What is up, Harries, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do passion twists. Really easy, really simple, in probably under an hour, under 2 hours the most. This is my braiding pattern. I did 3 small braids in the front. I did 1 going across like so, and all the rest I made them go all the way back. The reason why it looks kind of confusing is because the length of my hair, I had to like crochet them in so that I don't have the long braid hanging down. I also did 1 braid going across in the back. This is how it looks. So Janet Collection reached out to me to try their new passion twist braiding, crochet braiding hair. So I'm gonna give it a try. From the packet, it looks really nice. This is how it looks on the model. This is how it looks. This is the color 1B, and this is 24 inches. Whoa. This is how the hair looks, and the ends is kind of curly. The ends is curly, and then the hair has that passion twist look. Okay, so I'm about to install them, so stay tuned.
So many things that I remember. The way you used to put me first in things you did. Haven't seen your face since last November. I keep following up, but we ran out of time. Looking back, our love seems like a daydream. Even now I visit every single place we've been. All the time we spent together changed me. I stay high on the days before we said goodbye. I'm regretting these feels I feel for you. Asking why did we fall from love? I get high off the time. Things I ever needed. Then I couldn't see it and we faded away. They say what happens happens for a reason. Then why am I stuck without you by my side? I get high just thinking about our memories. And even though it ended, it was worth each pain. The love we had will last 100 centuries. You were special to me, I keep you tucked inside. No regretting these feelings I feel for you. I'm asking why did we fall from love? And I get high off the times. we fall from love, and I get high off the time of asking till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon. Turn us to thousands, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll
This is 5 packs of hair. It is very late in the night. It was like midnight and I really have to go take a nap, but it looks so pretty and it's so soft. So tomorrow when I get myself together, honey, I'm gonna model this hair for y'all. This hair is looking so good. You can't really see it full length, so wait till tomorrow, boo. You gon' see the full length. You gon' see the full length.
hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't